That is the main house. The mother-in-law's suite with its own private entrance is right here. So the main house has a 1-car garage and parking for 2 to 4. Come take a walk with me. We're gonna walk through a duplex, essentially. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a mother-in-law suite that's completely detached in Largo. The great part about Largo is that you can rent nightly if you wanted to, and this is just over the bridge from Indian Rocks Beach. Come take a look. We are in the mother-in-law suite, which has a very large living room area here. It would be a combo living dining area, a full kitchen, access to the backyard, all completely updated too. Then you have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Pretty good sized bedroom here. You'll notice the windows have all been recased. They are hurricane rated windows, which is really nice. Fresh paint, so many updates throughout both of these units. This would make a fantastic rental, or live in one side and rent out the other. You have a full tub here, again, hurricane rated windows. And then the 2nd bedroom, also hurricane rated windows with a closet. Let's go look at the other one. Okay, we're gonna take a walk through the main house now. This is the center door entrance that takes you into a sunroom with access to the backyard and access to the 1-car garage. There is the main entrance in the living room that you could take if you wanted to. So we'll step up here into the fully renovated kitchen with beautiful backsplash, a large farmer's sink tub, view to the outside, dishwasher, French door refrigerator, and then your stove and microwave. I love some of the details in this property. Take a look at that arched walkway. Again, here you'll notice you've got a nice, good sized living room. These are original hardwood floors that have been restained recently and refinished. You also have a large picture window that is hurricane rated, and this one here too, which gives you really nice light. Being a vintage home, you've got some of these beautiful add-ins that we don't see in today's homes with the built-in cabinet or the built-in shelving there. Again, that arched doorway. They've done a lot of nice updates here. Now this is a really nice sized room. Again, you'll see the moldings around the picture windows there. And of course, all the windows throughout both of these units are hurricane rated. And again, as a nod to the age of the home, you'll see the built-in here with the desk. You've got some added storage up there, the bottom shoe storage here, closet there, closet behind the door, and a completely renovated bathroom again with a stand-in shower, sink, beautiful flooring. Choice that was very similar to, if not the same as what we saw in the kitchen. And then the 2nd bedroom here, a really good size. You've got the hurricane rated windows. We are in a non-flood zone, even though we're just 1.5 miles from Indian Rocks Beach. And I honestly don't even think it's that far, but you could be at the beach in not even 5 minutes. And again, you see the beautiful wood floors carried throughout. This is a really great property for someone that's looking to either live in one side and have multi-generational living, or a rental unit where you have 2 that you're renting out, or maybe you live in one and rent out the other. The nice thing again, Largo allows nightly rentals as a minimum. You don't have to do nightly rentals. You can do seasonal or annual.